Milk Frother Double Whisk Electric Handheld Foamer Blender for Drink Mixer perfect for coffee latte cappuccino bulletproof coffee matcha hot chocolate mini battery operated milk frother black. Dehumanization Design, the coffer mixer milk frother whose switch is designed in a convenient position, which can work automatically when pressed lightly so it can be used comfortably and it won't spill liquid while using. Handle has two-section modular design and ergonomically designed soft touch. The use of ABS material can prevent you from slipping off during use. You need not to worry about cords and finding sockets.Just load 2 AA batteries, not included, and it will work normally. Jet Creamy Froth in 15's high-speed rotation of food-safe stainless steel coffe double whisk. This electric handheld milk frother is perfect for making delicious thick foamy creamer within 15's for bulletproof coffee, latte, milkshake, hot chocolates, cappuccino and matcha powder as well as a good egg beater.The benefits of having your own mini electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best drinks at home for yourself and your family without going out. That quality material, the electric milk frother battery operated is approved. The double whisk is made of food grade 304 stainless steel, which is safe and green. Electric milk coffee mixer provide with a powerful motor that gives you 17,000 Rpm and a stand that will not break or bend when moved around the kitchen. Ideal Thanksgiving gift or Christmas gift for your friends and family. DC Clean and Store, this electric milk coffee mixer is portable and lightweight, perfect for the home, office, or traveling. Clean up for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. The coffee blender come with protector lid with platform-shaped lamp stand which is easy to. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.